Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today we are gonna be doing the challenge. The person in front of me picks what we eat today. So I'm gonna be picking up my brother in a moment because he is the one gonna be recording, holding the camera, of course. So, and then after that we're gonna go to my sister's because she's gonna be joining in the video too. So let's see what we eat today. And don't mind my voice because I am sick right now, so I sound kind of funny. My bad, but I am sick, so just stay tuned and keep watching. So I just came to pick up my brother, which he is lagging, and I have my niece right here. So we're just waiting for him. Jack's where, by Fessel?
Yeah. Then from there we'll get on the freeway and it'll take us to
Oh my god, this is so weird.
well, $13. Their total was $13. So if you spend 13 bucks at Jack's, you get a lot of stuff. Alright, just say that.
Jack in the Box, would you like to try the bacon ultimate cheeseburger combo?
Oh no, thank you. I'm just gonna order what the car in front of me got. Hello?
I'm sorry, what's the one?
I'm just gonna order what the car in front of me ordered,
Okay.
and that'll be it.
So a bacon and Swiss buttery jack and a classic buttery jack.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay.
Oh my god, he didn't get fries. he didn't get fries or drink. Wow. Buttery jack. I've never had a buttery jack.
Are you guys doing the YouTube challenge?
Yeah.
Any sauce for you guys?
No, just like
No
that.
sauce?
Yeah.
Have a good day.
Okay, thank you.
Crap, this is a big ass bag. Alright.
Are you serious?
Yeah. So right next door is McDonald's. That's where we're heading next. Well, unless there's no people there, then we'll just go to Taco Bell.
Let's just go to Taco Bell because it seems like nobody's there.
Yeah. But unless you see someone, then just get in the drive-thru.
Martin,
Hi, can I just order what the car in front of me ordered?
a large Diet Coke?
Is that what they ordered?
Was that all?
Yeah.
Okay.
Anything else?
No, that'll be it.
Alright, it'll be 109.
Okay, thank you.
You good?
Oh my god.
Oh my god. A Coke? Oh, pay right here. A Coke. Really. That was like
So it's 109?
09.
Yeah, just 109.
I am.
That's gonna be for you. Thank you.
Wow, really a Coke? Out of everything, just a Coke. That really sucks. That we just, so we have Jack's. Well, there's 2 meals in.
Okay, thank you. Here.
Destiny, give it to Destiny.
99 or 40.99?
Yeah, one of those.
I swear, 4.99.
It could be either one. Those cars, no?
I thought I heard $40.99.
Thank you for choosing Chick-fil-A today. This is Seth speaking. Can I get a name for the order?
Daisy?
Alrighty, ma'am. Give me just a second
Okay.
here.
So what car are they gonna...
Just say the person in front of you.
Alright, ma'am. What can we get you today?
Can I order what the car in front of me ordered?
Car in front of you order?
Yeah, and that'll be it.
Yes, ma'am. They just ordered a sandwich. Is that okay?
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's fine.
Alrighty then.
Okay, thank you.
My pleasure.
A sandwich? Really? Just a sandwich? We're like, why you guys have so much food at?
For Daisy?
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
Would you guys like a free drink?
Sure.
Oh,
Here's one.
what the?
Thank you.
Another one.
Thank you.
My pleasure. Have a nice day.
Okay, this was not planned. This was not planned.
They just gave us 2 free milkshakes.
Oh, they did.
Did they know we were making the video?
Here.
Don't lick it. 'Cause
No,
we
it
don't know
dripped
who.
on my hand. Here.
Make sure you don't make a mess in my car.
What the heck? We did not freaking plan this.
So we just got 2 free milkshakes. Do I go?
We're at Taco Bell.
Last spot of the day.
Hey, I honestly thought this was gonna take a lot longer.
But it didn't. It
Yeah.
took like an hour.
Not even, yeah.
Is there?
Yeah, there's someone right there.
Right.
Alright.
So you want the Mexican pizza one?
Yeah,
Yeah, just whatever they ordered.
They ordered a combo number 4.
Yeah,
Okay.
we'll take that.
Okay. Thank you.
Is Pepsi okay?
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
Alright, it's gonna be $9.45 at the second window.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
So they ordered 3 things and a soda.
Another drink? Yeah, exactly was $49.
So you spent $49?
Uh-huh.
Wow. What are you doing? Oh, I'm ready to go home and eat.
Is your combo number 4? Your napkins and sauce are right in
Okay, thank you.
Have a good day. Thank you.
Alright, so we just got to my sister's house. Dun, dun. I'll take this first. I'll come back for the rest of the stuff. We got a lot of stuff.
Sorry, I'm pumping, guys. I have a baby to feed.
So, no.
Could you guys get the one in the back?
Yeah, bring the Chick-fil-A.
Okay, so we made it. We're gonna eat, and we'll be with you guys right now. We have the food here. We have probably more drinks than food, but it's gonna be all of us eating because I'm not gonna eat this by myself, you know that. So,
And I am starving.
so whatever you guys want, just start eating.
I want a burger.
And if you guys want to cut the burger, so somebody could.
What is this?
I want half of that Chick-fil-A.
That's Taco Bell.
Alright, yeah, it's recording.
What's after this?
So, does anyone want a drink?
Does
Burger
anyone?
King.
I want a smooth shake.
Here, I know you wanted that.
I'll share with my mom.
So that.
So this is all
There's
stuff that you guys didn't know, right?
Pepsi
Yeah.
and a Pepsi and a lemonade.
We'll do lemonade.
Here we go.
Does anyone want some of this?
What flavor is this? Wait. So at Chick-fil-A, they gave us 2 free Chick-fil-A. I mean, what was it? Smoothies.
Yeah.
Why free?
No, it's funny because we got in
Burger?
line
Uh-huh.
and
Give me half of your hamburger.
Cut it for me.
and Daisy says, "Oh, I want a milkshake. I hope they order a milkshake." And they didn't order a milkshake. So once we got to the window, they're like, "Oh, do you guys want 2 free drinks?" And we were expecting drinks, and then they gave us 2 free milkshakes. I was like, "Oh, what the heck?"
Oh, that one.
I got like
There's Taco Bell right here. So McDonald's did us wrong.
But now you guys wrong.
Well, we didn't know. Well, yeah, the people like who orders a Diet Pepsi.
Who wants
Coke.
half of this burger?
Oh no.
I think there's 2 of those.
There's 2 of the
Is
same.
there a rule that we have to finish everything?
No, you could just eat and
Enjoy
talk.
it?
And talk.
Oh shit, sorry. The thing. No, you're good, you're good, you're good, you're good, you're good.
Some lemonade, right there? Some lemonade? What do you want?
Do you have ketchup in there?
There's ketchup right here.
Oh.
So what do you guys want to talk about?
Oh, so yeah. So we have to talk about stuff too.
Oh, while we eat?
It's like I'm with brain.
How was your weekend? What did you guys do this weekend? I went to LA and this baby slept through the whole ride over there.
You want what?
Milkshake? I'll give you some.
I was just at the salon all day.
You want
working.
milkshake? Say yes, please. ¿Dónde se lo pongo? Inside that hamburger?
I didn't do nothing. My parents went to out of town.
And you didn't throw a party?
I didn't do nothing.
Nothing? Sorry, Mama. I want to eat. Okay, I don't even know the bun, silly.
Got Betsy.
So August was 49 exact.
Oh, I made my daughter's hair. Come sit with me? Yeah. You're good. You're supposed to put it in the picture. Okay, take it back. Did you guys hear that?
Was that you?
That was this little girl, she farted. Ayla, you're on camera. You're not supposed to fart.
So what do you guys want to talk about?
Did
You
guys
asked
go to
that like
school?
3 times.
What did you do at school today? What did you learn? Cards Jr. had the most.
Carl's Jr. had 2 meals.
Oh, okay.
And Choco Bar had 4 meals.
Say it again.
No.
4 meals?
I mean, 4
meal.
different orders.
Sadie, Gorda, what are you doing? Trying to put the pacifier.
Who is your celebrity crush?
Celebrity crush. Someone famous.
Okay, start.
We'll start with
Destiny.
no, but Destiny doesn't know.
Yeah.
We'll start with Jeanette.
If I had to pick someone, I mean, I'm not really crushing on anyone, but I would probably choose Maluma.
Maluma?
Even though he's a couple years younger than me, but
How old
it's
is he?
okay.
24.
Oh.
He's 24. He's young.
I would say what's the name? Oh my god. That white guy, super hot. He's Mexican though.
Which one?
William Levy.
Yeah, William Levy.
Oh, yeah.
Daisy.
I would say, probably Tyga.
Tyga? Wasn't Tyga looking at your stories on Instagram?
Tyga's cool. Well, I like his music, and then because we met him like up close.
So that's why he's your crush.
Well, because I like his music and style, and yeah, Tyga.
Destiny?
No, you don't know.
Mine would be.
Bad Bunny.
Okay. Oh yeah, Bad Bunny.
Kylie Jenner.
I would say Madison Beer.
Who's Madison Beer?
A
The
singer.
girl?
Who that bitch?
Madison or between or Billie Eilish.
Let me see.
I don't know.
Why are you guys switching up mine and you guys didn't switch up your guys'?
Because we know who they
You guys don't know
are.
who these are?
We don't know who they are.
Let's see.
I wait.
Yeah, but she obviously doesn't look like that all the
Let
time.
me see. Oh, like her?
Billie.
Does she sing?
Yeah.
What was it?
What type of songs?
What was her song? No, the
Madison Beer.
beer.
Mm-hmm.
Like beer?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, much better.
Let me see.
Wait, does she sing?
She should be
Yeah,
your
she's
number
a
one.
singer.
Let me see.
Click on it. Let me see. I want my hair like that.
Okay, we're filming the video, you guys.
Okay.
Oh yeah, she's pretty.
Destiny.
Bitch.
Now let's hear Destiny.
That's her.
I don't know.
Yeah, she's hot.
Can you hear? Can you see Destiny?
Yeah, you can see Destiny.
Oh.
Any
YouTube.
She
Yeah,
used to
you
crush
do,
on
Destiny.
Luis Coronel, or how do you say his
No,
name?
that's how you know the song La Niña Teresa.
Oh
Uh-huh.
yeah.
Oh, she's
She
singing
was
that
I forgot
Him.
about
Him. Yeah. So fashion. This is a fashion question.
Uh-huh.
What do you guys rather buy? Shoes, heels? What are you guys more into? Shoes, heels, clothes, jeans, skirts, dresses? Go.
Caesar's like
Shoes. For me, it would be shoes.
For me, it'd be,
You can pick 2 or 1.
I don't know, I'm not really into clothes.
Makeup?
Makeup. I had a bad habit of buying a bunch of eyeshadow. I don't even use it. You, Grace?
I would say shoes and rompers right now.
Oh yeah,
Rompers? Isn't that like the one piece?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's what I think.
Those are nice because it's easy to like.
Just throw them
Uh-huh.
on. Yep.
Me, I would say shoes and dresses.
I know.
Why do you have this bow?
Sadie put it on me.
And you, Destiny?
Shoes.
Shoes, really?
Shoes and a shirt.
That's his outfit for every day. Any occasion is just a t-shirt and a
That's
A
it.
shirt, not a t-shirt.
t-shirt. I don't know. Alright, if you could live anywhere in the world for the rest of your life, where would it be and why?
LA.
Why?
Because it's a city and they have so much shopping to do.
You
I
better-
wouldn't want to leave Santa Maria. I love it here.
I
Why?
mean, you bought a house, so you
You
ain't
can't leave
you
it.
ain't going over for a while.
Rent it out.
I would say Malibu.
But I would love to travel. I would like
But
to
why?
go-
You never said why you want to stay in this town.
Why?
It's
Why?
small.
But there's nothing to do here.
There's no freeway. You can get to A to B within like 10 minutes.
What?
Which way you're always late.
I am always late.
Me, Hawaii.
You?
Hawaii.
Why?
Why?
It seems so nice. I don't know.
Grace didn't say why she wanted to live
Oh, yeah,
in Malibu.
Because Malibu just because you're next to the beach and you always have good weather.
Uh-huh. And then the houses are nice.
Yeah.
I would want to live in LA
LA.
Why?
because of the lifestyle. It's not slow. It's always fast.
See, that's what I don't like. I like it mellow.
Here's way too boring. There's nothing to do.
Oh, no.
It's chill.
I mean, what do you do? You don't do nothing.
We're always at home.
Watching Netflix movies.
What?
Who's your favorite YouTuber?
To watch?
Yeah.
Probably like the Ace family.
YouTuber, not family. YouTuber.
But
YouTuber,
same thing.
YouTubers.
Oh, so YouTubers. I enjoy their videos.
I don't watch YouTube.
Me either.
Mine would be Phase Rev.
It's not Daisy.
Mine would be Ace Family and Facebook.
So I hope you guys enjoyed this video
With my family.
with my brother, my sister, my niece, friend Priscilla, her daughter Camila, Destiny. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember, leave us comments. Leave us.
Remember to comment and like
Just-
this video and subscribe.
Comment down below telling us what challenges we should do with them, because you guys will be seeing them on my videos again. So let me know what challenges we should do, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember, give this a like, subscribe, and more videos
With
Stay tuned.
Daisy.
Bye, love you.
Bye, everyone.